In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is off. To switch it on, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Access My Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!